Okay, so we need to go back to the room, since that's where the little game player is. Are we approaching this? Okay.
Watch and learn, Clank. This is how a real hero gets it done.
These are the real-life adventures of Captain Quark, the greatest superhero the galaxy has ever known.
Hey, this thing on?
Meticulously reconstructed by our crack research team with the aid of eyewitness accounts, bathroom gossip, wild speculation, and a magic 8-ball. In the early days of the 5th Solarian equinox, the Solana galaxy was terrorized by a notorious pirate known as Captain Blackstar.
Ahoy! Anybody else got a craving for fish and chips?
Though still in the prime of his youth, Captain Quark was already a living legend.
I was beating him up with a stick.
However, no previous adventure could have prepared Quark for his encounter with the dread pirate Blackstar and his crew of... Oh, please tell me this is a typo.
That's robotic pirate ghosts. Guess reading wasn't your subject, eh, Professor?
Right. Now we begin the interactive portion of Episode 1. Booty is in the eye of the beholder.
The interactive portion? Oh! Oh, neat. Well, I didn't...
You just picked up an officially licensed Quark token. Collect all the tokens in the level to earn a secret prize.
Yeah?
Bling, bling, baby. The red ones are worth 10 Quark tokens.
And I got 5 hits. I can't even punch anything. I mean, I'm fine with this. We keep progress on our tokens. That's good to know. I keep wanting to punch those, because to me it just makes sense. That thing stopped moving. Alright, some enemies take more than one hit. What is that? Oh, they're ghost platforms. I definitely do not remember this in the game. Whoa.
Old-timers say a giant robotic seal haunts this ship. What a bunch of hooey.
Press circle to fire my blaster. Hold down R1 and move the left analog stick for precision aiming.
Do I get more ammo? Or, nope, you can only have 20, huh? Ah, but it does kill these guys that take me 3 hits normally. To kill 1 hit instead. Oh, all the way back to the beginning? No, just back to here. I'm fine with that. Man, these things are just annoying. Of course, if I were, you know, taking my time, this wouldn't be that bad. We need 11 more. There we go. 8 more. Ooh. 1, 2, and there's number 3. A titanium bolt, eh?
A nice juicy health upgrade. Remember, cadets, there's one in every level.
Oh, this is how it's gonna be, eh? He said what? R1? Yeah, R1. But you can also punch it. I mean, you didn't have to use the gun. That one only gave me 10 bullets anyways. Just under 5 minutes. $6,000 for every 100, or is it based on different things? I wonder.
I mean, I've worked on some real junk, but this one takes the cake. Pirate, ghost robots. What do they think? We're idiots?
Hey, Professor, snap to it.
Once again, the citizens of the Solana Galaxy owed their lives to the dauntless courage of the remarkable man behind the cube. With great reluctance, Quark accepted a meager fee for his services and promptly donated the entire sum to the Quark for Tots Scholarship Fund, a charity providing makeovers and buxom bimbos for needy people named Quark.
I've got a big heart. Mr. President? Yes, I got the fruit basket, thanks. It turns out I'm allergic to prunes. Yeah, who knew? What? Blackwater City is under attack. Yes, sir, I'm on my way.
The exciting, all-true, right, adventures of Captain Quark continue in Episode 2.
Well, who's that handsome devil?
It appears Quark has regained his memory.
Hey, this dressing room isn't fit for a pig. What kind of shoddy production are you people running?
That's him, all right.
He may need a while to adjust. In the meantime, I've got a mission that's perfect for you two. We've just learned of a prototype holographic device that can disguise the user as a Tyrannoid, even allowing him to speak Tyrannese.
Is it just me, or do you smell bananas?
Anyway, the device happens to be the grand prize on this week's Annihilation Nation. Check it out.
Tonight on Annihilation Nation, we feature an all-new Death Course. Let's meet tonight's victim. Oops, I mean contestant, Fred. Fred is a Gadgetron accountant who claims he once had a Morpho Ray go off in his pants. What a champ. Let's take a look at what he's up against. Doesn't look too bad now, does it? Good luck, Fred! Next!
Another day, another death course.
Alright, yep. It's about par for the course for our heroes. I wonder, that didn't let us know if we had any new in stock, but I figured I'd check anyways. Okay. Like I said, I figured I'd check. There we go. Just buy that. Leave myself with 14k. I'm not gonna use it anytime soon because Suck Cannon sucks. Alright. Let me go back over here. Split nose, standard nose, scoop nose. Thought those were guns. I don't think I care if they're just, you know... Okay, that was a glitch. Alright, Annihilation Nation. Zoom, zoom, zoom.
Are you ready to play? All right, let's meet our first contestant. He's an unemployed rocket mechanic who claims to have saved 2 galaxies, but most people know him as Secret Agent Clank's bumbling chauffeur. He hopes that disguising himself as a Tyrannoid will make him more attractive to the ladies.
Hey,
Give a warm welcome to Ratchet! Ratchet will attempt to be the first contestant ever to survive the death course. Contestant number 1, are you ready?
bring it on.
I mean, if it... That's probably the landing area, that's probably the arena. This is all the death course. I wonder, can I blow these up?
Hey, be sure to catch me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby.
Blew up something.
Push the button to flip the side. Oh yeah, that's entertainment, folks. Oh man, this job is too much fun.
Oh, right.
To straight, hold down L2 or R2 while running.
What, nothing? Oh, but I did see that because of it, so... I wonder if I can make it over there. I probably can, but that's the right side. I could not make it over there. I'm sure I could if I had not blown it. Hey, these are on the same wavelength now.
Oh man, this job is too much fun.
Haha. Anyways. Ooh-ah.
Be sure to catch me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby. Did you see that?
No, they didn't. Oh, see, I had pressed the buttons for the required sequence to do my dash, but...
Ooh, smells like burnt fur.
Singe.
Push the button to flip the side. Oh yeah, that's entertainment, folks. Oh man, this job is too much fun. Hey, be sure to catch me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby.
Yeah, I was pretty sure I could skip over the majority of that little piece if I was not being attacked.
Could be championship material, folks.
Alright, that puts me at all max ammo. Part of me does wonder if this is all RNG or if you actually end up having to go through it all. Amoeba.
Let's get ready to rampage!
Bahama, come on, baby, mama.
He's lighting it up like a Christmas tree!
You guys have Christmas? Alright. Any ammo? No. How about now? No.
To throw your whip, hold R1 and press circle.
Nope, still no ammo. Doesn't look like I'll be getting ammo for it.
Okay, folks, time to play Luck of the Draw! I'm now pulling the ticket stub out of my hat.
This, I guess. Yeah, I was supposed to get that nitro launcher because it just does so much more than what we need. Alright, maximum health goes up.
Audience member in seat number 326, get ready to try your luck in the robot rampage!
Yeah, the infector might take a minute.
Enemies hit by the infector will continue taking damage until the infection wears off. Hitting an enemy with multiple infector shots will make the infection last longer.
Yeah? So it can kill by itself, it just takes a while. Nothing, huh?
Did you see that?
Last round, let's just go ahead and do this, and we'll strafe left to right.
I don't believe it, folks! He survived the death course! And here to give you your prize, the lovely Miss Courtney Gears! How about that, folks? He is better looking!
Do not be alarmed, Sasha. That is Ratchet.
Oh, I see you won the Terror Guys. It's very convincing. Anyway, there's something I think the two of you need to see.
Quark personal log, entry 101301. After I personally vanquished the Protopet menace and revamped the Megacorp testing facility, I decided to focus my efforts on protecting the endangered creatures of the Florana jungle. But when news arrived that Dr. Nefarious had again risen to power, I knew where my true destiny lay. The training necessary to get back into tip-top shape has been exhausting, and my mind overflows with brilliant concepts. So I still yearn for the bittersweet stench of my simian companions. The time has come to resume my duties as the greatest hero the galaxy has ever known, Captain Quark!
You're not gonna believe this, but the President put Quark in charge of the fight against Nefarious. Our new commander just called his first team meeting. You better get back to the Phoenix right away.
I agree. This does not sound good.
Yep. Got the Terra guys. Wait, is there not like... Okay, there is more, right? Yeah. For a big cash prize, which is less than the one below it. Oh, Jesus.
Hey, be sure to catch me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby!
Is he gonna say that every time? Okay, so I think the course is set in stone. Yeah, I can just kind of avoid most of this. Oh, that was rude.
This is gonna be exciting.
What, you put that up here for no reason? To look good?
That was close.
Get rid of these guys as we go. That way. Oh, Jesus.
Could be championship material, folks.
I got a skill point, eh? How do we look at skill points? There we go. Destroy 5 floating cameras in the gauntlet. Flee flawlessly. Be an 8-time champ. And bash the bug. There are ways of finding out what those are. Is that it?
Never mess with a trigger-happy lombat.
Let's just go ahead and do the next one.
Push the button to flip the side.
There we go. V3.
This weapon upgrade features a lock-on mod. To lock on to enemies, press and hold L2 and R2.
Oh, now you want to add the lasers back.
Really move. Hey, be sure to catch me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby.
Alright. Might as well use it while I can. Yeah, because that would have been instant death.
This job is too much fun.
Lulu.
A good go all the way.
At least I got more ammo for it, that last upgrade too. Start using the whip a little bit. Oh, that was the end. Gonna say whip it good. Suicide run. Uh-huh.
Ouch! He's gonna feel that tomorrow.
No, I won't, because I just died. Suicide run. Let me go ahead and re-equip that.
Oh man, this job is too much fun!
To the right.
Hey, be sure to catch me next week at the Florana Demolition Derby!
Oh, that can hit me twice, huh?
Feel that tomorrow. He could be championship material, folks!
Oop. Hiya.
That was close!
Well, when they're all in one like nice little tight space.
He could go all the way!
Is that the end? Wow. Robo Rampage.
Now it's time to get
The arena version.
and dirty. For a
Rather do the arena than the
Go down!
runs. No, I didn't notice those saw blades, honestly.
Let's get it on!
Oh, there's a lot of rounds.
I should introduce this guy to my ex-wife.
Yeah, this is only going to prove difficult while I'm trying to upgrade weapons.
Let me tell you,
At least I'll get a little bit of health upgrade, right? Yep. Better if I can stick off with the storm cannon. These red guys gotta go. Alright, ain't doing a whole lot of damage.
look at those greedy little eyes. He's got that 1,000-yard stare. Positively shocking.
Alright, well, with at least this, we can take out a round without too much issue.
Ever wonder what a shaved Lombax looks like? Let's find out. Yowza, that's gonna hurt. Time for a little surprise.
Uh-oh. Whoa! So in other words, gotta keep it moving.
Audience member in seat number 326.
Yeah, that's not gonna be one that's worth using. I can't run and gun. Yeah, this is gonna be tough. If I do this though, I can just kind of run forward. Nope, I've got to do something else. I think these guys are taking damage as well from the turret. They are, so I can use them to take them out if I run the opposite way. I almost did not win that. Plasma whips only. Let's go to the vendor. What do we got? Splitting Hydra and Agents of Doom. Glad to see they made it back. How many have we won? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6. Alright, Plasma Whip it is.
Do this with one weapon, folks.
Now, do they give me my wrench, or is it just my... Nope. Just my whip.
He sure got his bell rung that time. Look at those beady little eyes.
Listen, these guys are the worst. I feel like if I run out of ammo...
Positively shocking.
Yeah, you run out of ammo, you lose. I don't think I can do that without upgrading it.
This event is a
That's actually kind of interesting. An interesting choice for them to have made. So, more health though.
Let me tell you, those things will take your eyebrows off.
Yeah, I'm not upset by that. I mean, it's kind of messed up, but what can you do? You know what? I'm gonna get all of these guys and use them as the suck cannon ammo. Oh yeah, this was time. I forgot that it was time. I just happened to look down and was like, alright, what round is this? Onslaught. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do the whipping good one. But, with that being said, I'll start each of these by going through my plasma whip. That way I can get it up, leveled up. I don't even remember how many rounds there were for that fight. I should have paid more attention. There were only 3. I might be able to do it. But we'll just, yeah, see, I don't think I can until it levels it up at least to 3. I need to increase the rate of fire on this thing. Next, I got 2 shots left. There we go. Nice. Hey, I did get some more ammo for it. I'm taking the damage on purpose. I know it's not the best idea, but I'm trying to upgrade the whip here, so it's less about winning and more about upgrading at the point. Just got a terrible 2.
Here we go, folks. Arena combat. Yowzer, that's gonna hurt.
Probably not going to use the whip then. I'm glad we made it to the point of, what's it called, the single hit fight yet. I don't know if this is going to be a good idea to use on him. I doubt it. Let's say that they took damage over time. But progress. Oh, I forgot I had to jump that. She just does it so quick. Alright. Careful too. Nitro launcher being our ace in the hole here. Did 4 damage. And I missed a shot. Switch again. Oh yeah, that's how we're gonna do things. Nice. Oh, I am out of ammo for that. I didn't realize. Actually, let's get up close and personal with him on the whip while we can. There we go. Hey, N60 Storm V2. 2-minute warning. Beat Gary and Helen before time runs out. I don't know. I don't feel like that took too long. Yep, I wasn't paying attention. I'll be honest, I didn't realize that that was her attack. Aww. Do it again. On me. I definitely thought it said 5 minutes. One more. Time to switch. That was on me. I just wasn't paying attention. That's how I died the last time, so. I didn't think that was gonna be able to hit me. Well, at least the N60 Storm leveled up. Cleave your way through the gladiators to a showdown with Gary and Helen. Sure.
Pay attention, folks.
Let's do this first.
Time we're gonna switch the challenge mode in mid-round.
How's Suck Cannon doing? There's 24 rounds. Back to the whip. Because we still need to level it up.
Get ready to switch.
Timed round. Oh, that's what they meant. So I could lose at any given time if I'm not fast enough.
Look at those pretty little eyes. He's got that. He got his bell rung that time. Whoa, this little sucker can really do some damage. Whoa, I should introduce this guy to my ex-wife.
Why?
Did somebody say Inferno?
No. Oh. Ah, they dropped an Inferno box, which I will hold on to.
Believe it or not, folks, I've got that thing wired to a controller up here in the press box. Did you see that?
No, actually, I didn't. Ah, poop. Let's say I don't even see the enemy.
Gene for pain, just look at him soaking up.
I would really appreciate it if we didn't change the camera angle. Yep, I'm not gonna win because of this round alone.
Brother, he's lighting it up like a Christmas tree.
I can't take another single hit.
Did somebody say Inferno?
No, but I'm guessing you did.
Get ready to switch challenge modes.
This one also may be out of the league until a little later in the game. I mean, we made it halfway there.
Okay, folks, time to play Luck of the Draw.
Yeah. That thing. Yeah. Alright, we're good here. I'm not doing too much else here, I guarantee that.
Come back anytime to compete for cash prizes.
Alright, let's go back to the ship. To Starship Phoenix.